Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr in just 3 days and start getting lots of new orders on a daily basis and start making thousands and thousands of dollars in 2021 and for the next few years. So guys, if you are interested to learn how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr in just 3 days, then please try to watch this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, before I start this video, I want to say something. Guys, today is Kite Festival in India. So guys, if some noise come into the video, I am very sorry about that, because people are enjoying with their friends and family on terrace. And guys, I am making video for you just because I want to help you guys. I want to make your life. I want you to get orders on Fiverr. That's why guys, I am in the room right now and I am making video for you. People are enjoying, but I am making video for you. So guys, please, if you can give me a like on this video, I would highly appreciate. And also please, you can share your best comment. It will motivate me a lot. So guys, please like this video and share this video. And if you are new on my channel, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Here you will find quality content about social media marketing, make money online, freelancing work, and everything in between. So guys, please like this video, comment on this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let me show you how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr in just 3 days in 2021. Here you can see guys, here I open fiverr.com. Guys, what you have to do is, first you have to search your keyword. Just for an example, I want to provide article writing service on Fiverr. Then what I will do is, I will search keyword related to article writing. Just for an example, I am writing blog article or writing blog articles. I just search this keyword here on Fiverr. You can see 54,000 services are available. Guys, because of coronavirus pandemic, people are working from home. So that's why there is very high competition right now on Fiverr. But guys, I will teach you how you can rank your gig the first page of Fiverr in just 3 days. So please try to watch this video till the end. Guys, what you have to do is, first you have to search your keyword here. Fiverr will suggest some keywords here as well. You have to open it in new tab. Guys, first you have to search this keyword, and what you have to do is, you have to only search a new seller. You can see guys, this person is very new, but still she is getting order. So you have to open this gig. You can see this one is also new, but still getting orders. You can see, you just have to open these types of new gig, and let me show you how you can rank your gig. I will show you everything, so please try to watch this video till the end. I'm just opening some gig, and you can see guys, here I search another keyword, article and blog post, or I can search blog post writer. You can see, but competition is very high. As I said you before, because of coronavirus pandemic, there is a very high competition right now on every freelancing platform. So you can write some keyword here and you can search it. You will get suggestion from Fiverr. I just search article writer. Here you will have to do the same work as well. You just have to find a new seller who rank at the first page of Fiverr. You can see this girl has $75 starting price, but still she is on the first page. You can see guys, you just have to open new seller gig. So guys, now you have opened some gig. You can see this girl has 6 orders in queue. What you have to do is guys, you just have to copy this title and you have to open Notepad and you have to paste it here. Same work you will have to do. This one is not related to our content. You just have to copy all this title here. You can see I'm just copying all the title, and you have to save it in Notepad file. Another thing which you have to do is, you have to come here at the bottom. You can see guys, this person has only 15 reviews, but still this guy was ranking at the first page of Fiverr. and what you have to do is you have to come into the bottom and you have to search, and you will see recommended for you. From here you will also have to open some person who is new in this category. You can see, I think this girl already come and I already copy. You can see, this is the some recommendation which Fiverr give to the buyer. You just have to open this gig. You can see here I open new gigs as well. You just have to copy the title from here. I think this one is already coming, so I have to delete it. You have to copy this one and you have to paste it. You have to find 5 to 6 titles like this, and now you have to include all the words into your title. Let me write it for you. I will, you can see, I will write blog and articles about the arts and fitness. This one is not for us because it is related to one topic. Let me find fifth one again. Guys, it takes some time, but this is the very important thing. If you invest your time here in finding a good title, you will rank your gig easily. So you have to invest some time here. You can see this one is very new seller, but still Fiverr recommended her. So you just have to copy the title, just paste it here. Now you have to include all this keyword into your title. You can see everyone included SEO article. I will SEO writing, so you can copy this. I will do SEO article writing, and here you can see another word which is copywriting. I'm just copy here and paste it here. I will do SEO article writing, copywriting, or you can write I will do SEO article writing, optimized copywriting. You can make title like this, and blog post writer. You can see you have to make title like this, and blog post content writer. I can write because content writer is also another keyword. So guys, this is how you have to make title. If you make title like this, you will definitely rank at the first page of Fiverr. My guarantee, guys. In just 3 days you will rank your gig and you will start getting orders. And another thing is, you have to make awesome Fiverr gig image. Yes guys, finding a good keyword, it is not the end. You have to make awesome gig image. It really matters, guys. So for the tag, what you have to do is, you have to come here at the end of every gig. You can see, and you have to do the same work as well. You have to come at the bottom, and from all of this new seller, you have to just copy similar tag. You have to copy similar tag and you have to save it here on notepad file, which you can upload. You can see I'm just copying this one just for an example. You have to open every gig and you have to find similar tag. You can see, and you also have to try to make new tags. I will show you. You can see, this is the tag I found from another gig. You have to do the same work as well. So guys, what you have to do is now is you have to copy similar tag from here. Just for an example, SEO optimization, or you can make your new tag. Just for an example, here I just copy SEO and paste it here, SEO article writer. This is the new tag. Or you can write WordPress SEO article. You can see, if you make new tag, it will help you a lot to rank at the first page of Fiverr very fast. You can see it is very easy, guys. Or you can write blogs SEO content writer. This is how you can write tags for you. These are the unique tag, guys, which no one have used right now. So if you make unique tag like this, you will rank at the first page of Fiverr very easily. Same method apply for any niche. Just for an example, if I want to provide a social media marketing service or Instagram marketing service, what I will do is I will search Instagram growth or fast organic Instagram growth. I just search it here. You have to do the same work. Again, you will have to search here new seller. You can see I will do fast organic Instagram growth. I will do super fast organic Instagram growth. You can see these all are the new seller guys, but still they are ranking. So there is something in their title. You have to open gigs like this, and you will have to again copy all this title from here. You can see these all are the new seller, but still 4 orders in queue. You have to do the same work. You just have to copy the title. You can see, just as for example, I am copying. You can see, oh, this one is very big title, but still she is ranking and 4 orders in queue. She is a very new seller, but still she is at the first page. You can do the same work. You can see. Now I will professionally do Instagram growth, fast organic, and I will write like this, and fast organic marketing. You can see I will professionally do Instagram growth and fast organic marketing. If you write title like this, you will rank at the first page of Fiverr in just 3 days, and you will start getting orders on daily basis. This is my guarantee. And you have to do the same work again. You have to copy all the hashtag, all the tags from the bottom, and you have to make your unique tags. This is how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr within 3 days. Yes guys, within 3 days you will rank, my guarantee, and you will start getting lots of new orders. And guys, another thing which you have to keep in your mind, you have to make awesome Fiverr gig image. So guys, I hope this video will helpful to you. If you have any question guys, please feel free to ask me. I would love to help you guys. Also please don't forget to watch my other playlist, other videos related to how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr. And guys, if you have some budget, I have some course for you. I highly recommend this course. I personally purchased this course. These are the best course in the market, so you can also purchase this course. You can see, you will find link in the description. I personally bought this course. These are the best course guys, so you will find link in the description. If you have some budget, I would highly recommend you to purchase this course. It will help you a lot. You will find lots of new tutorials here, new method here. These are the amazing content guys. And you can see this course has 4.6 star rating with 11,000 plus student. I highly recommend this course. You will find discount link in the description of this video. So if you have some budget, you can invest in this course. But if you don't have any budget, you can watch my free tutorials. It will help you a lot to make money from Fiverr and rank your gig. So guys, I hope you will like this video. Please give me a like on this video. Guys, people are really enjoying with their friends. I also want to go and I want to enjoy, but guys, for you I am making all this video just for helping you guys. So please like this video, comment your best words, and share this video as well with your friends and family member. They will also rank gig and start making money. So guys, please like this video, share this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day.